In this video, we will learn daily routine English sentences. Please subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. So let's begin. I'm waking up. I am waking up. I am getting up. I am getting up. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am going to the park. I am going to the park. I am exercising. I am exercising. I am jogging. I am jogging. I am taking a bath. I am taking a bath. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. I am getting ready for school. I am getting ready for school. I am going out. I am going out. I am packing my backpack. I am packing my backpack. I am catching bus to school. I am catching bus to school. I am attending class for learning new things. I am attending class for learning new things. I am playing football. I am playing football. I am having a lunch. I am having a lunch. I am finishing school for the day. I am finishing school for the day. I am heading home to relax. I am heading home to relax. I am taking some rest. I am taking some rest. I am doing homework and studying for exams. I am doing homework and studying for the exams. I am watching a talk show. I am watching a talk show. I am snacking on something healthy to recharge. I am snacking on something healthy to recharge. I am playing video games. I am playing video games. I am getting ready for bed. I am getting ready for bed. I am reading comic book. I am reading comic book. I am going to bed. I am going to bed. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.